cultivated the land, planted the seed, nurtured it in our businesses, our jobs, our projects, and our families. True to His word, our God blessed the works of our hands and gave us increase. Now it is our turn to be thankful for the plentiful harvest, as sections, as families, and as individuals. Come join us live on YouTube, Facebook, and our website, cranbourneumc.org, on Sunday, 5 April 2020, for a powerful sermon with DS Reverend O. Mukahanan. You will also be able to participate with your harvest using EcoCash. See the shortcut below. You can also do Zip it or transfer to our CBZ bank account with details below as well. Or simply use our online payment platform on www.paynow.co.zw/CUMC. From home, let's celebrate the plentiful harvest that we have received from God. Amen.